Welcome everybody to another episode of We Inspired. I'm back in the kitchen. Before I crack on, I just wanted to say Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. So what I'm going to be doing today for you guys is a Cajun chicken wings. I actually went to the chicken shop and the guy, I asked him for a kilo of chicken wings. He put all the chicken wings and underneath he must have shoved in some chicken niblets to make it a kilo. I didn't realize until I got home, but they both work anyway. So I'm just going to show you what I've got as the ingredients. I've got 1 kilo of chicken wings and niblets. We've got some spring onion, chili. We've got some Cajun powder here. This is paprika, smoked paprika. This is onion powder, some cheese, and we've got some corn flour here. I've got double cream and some sriracha sauce. So now I'm going to crack on. Keep watching. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add some salt on this, just like maybe 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste, guys, don't add too much. So we're going to add paprika. So this is going to give you some color. It's going to be quite tasty. That's 2 teaspoons of paprika. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. And we're going to give this a good mix. Before I mix this in, just put some olive oil. I've marinated this. I'm going to dip this in to the corn flour, just lightly. So it's going to be nice, golden and crispy. And I'm going to put that in the pan. So the pan's going to be on a medium high. Here we go, just simple colors. Do that in 2 lots. Obviously you can't fit them all in the pan. Make sure you cook them for 8 to 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, medium high. You want to cook them in the inside, not just on the outside. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be making something here, something special. What we're going to do is we're going to be adding double cream. This is just good old Iceland double cream. You can use any double cream you like. Here we are. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and one thing I nearly forgot, we need to add some garlic powder to this. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Just get yourself a small whisker. Whisk this nicely. A pinch of salt, salt to taste. Nice and creamy, look at that. We're just going to leave this for a few minutes until the chicken is ready, because there's something else we need to do with this. Back to the chicken now. We turn this over. So it's looking nice and crispy and golden. We'll come back to it shortly. Here we are. So that's the first batch done. Look at this. Nice and crispy. Now check this out. Whoa. Lovely, golden and crispy. Here we go. So here we are. What I've done now is put this on the stove. It's quite thick, so you can use this as a normal dip. However, I want this a little bit runnier, so I am gonna add a little bit of milk. Don't put too much in one go, otherwise it's going to be too runny. That was like a quarter of a cup of milk. And finally, the final touch is going in now. We're going to add some grated cheese. Here we go. Put the heat up to a medium. Let the cheese melt into the sauce. And keep whisking as well. Come back after a couple of minutes. Our second batch of chicken wings done. The cheese on the melt. Here we are. Chicken wings look nice, tender, crispy chicken wings. What I'm going to do now is I kept a slight bit of cheese left on grated cheese. I'm going to put this, so while it's still hot, you put this cheese on here. Here we have it, people. Look. So we've got the cheese is sort of warmed up, roughly melted. This has been sort of warming up for about 5 minutes now. The cheese is all melted. So all we're going to do is add this to this. And this, oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We are going to spoil ourselves today. Oh. Look at that. Here we are. Now top it off with some spring onions. Some red chili peppers. These are not too hot, by the way, but they're nice. They're nice after you bite a piece of chicken and you put one of those in your mouth. This is a masterpiece. So by the way, it isn't really spicy because I haven't really put any chili, sort of chili powder or chili flakes or anything. But you can add chili powder, like a teaspoon of chili powder if you want it nice and spicy. What I'm gonna do is add some hot sriracha sauce in this. This goes down absolutely banging. You might think, why have I not put sriracha on the other side? This side's for the kids and this side is for me. There we are. Ta-da! So I'm not going to taste this right now. However, try this at home. Let me know how it tastes. I promise you, this is absolutely banging. I made this yesterday. I put more love in it today. So try it out. Let me know in the comment box how it goes for you. If you like this vlog, like, share and subscribe for some more fantastic videos. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Subscribe, like, share and so on. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.